Alright, so update. I've put about 100 miles on the car. Not 100 more, but 100, so I've probably about 79 or so. About 80 miles is what I put on additionally to the first 20 miles with the last video. So I'm going to go ahead and drain the oil. Check that out, see what that looks like. Hopefully it's a little clearer. Hopefully at most it's not worse than it was last time. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pull the car in and take a look. Tighten this damn belt. It's this size. So, I gotta say, it already looks better. It's definitely kind of black. So, already it looks a little better. It's, you know, last time pouring out, you could see it coming out, and it looked really hazy, you know, looking at the stream. So, at least it doesn't look like there's any, well, we'll see. I don't want to get too ahead of myself. I don't want to excite myself. It's still like really black though. I mean, pretty black for, you know, 100 miles. I don't see any shiny stuff though. So while it's still draining, I went ahead and bought this handy oil filter opener. You know, I was trying to use a pipe cutter before and it just doesn't really work very well, but hopefully this was worth the 40 bucks. Alright, so this is fresh out. Not nearly as bad. It probably looks exactly the same in this video, but yeah, not as bad. Still definitely some very fine metal, you know, particulate in it, but not sparkly like the last time. So I'll run it for another, you know, probably shoot for a couple of 100 miles this time, and then change it again. First, I'm going to cut the filter open. Basically all it is, it's just works pretty much the same way a pipe cutter would work. Its orientation is slightly different. Marginally better than the pipe cutter. Let's go ahead and get the rest of the oil out of there. But yeah, makes it nice and easy. You just take it and there's the element. Ah, geez, and there's oil all over my floor because I didn't realize it was still full of oil. Cool. So yeah, normally what I would do if I saw anything is I would pull this filter completely apart. It's like still drip oil all over the place. I'm just looking inside the fins to see if I see anything, because that's the way the oil flows, is it flows from the outside, and alright, yeah, I'm just squeezing oil all over the fucking floor. But anyways, I would normally pull this apart so I could lay it out flat, but I don't see anything. I don't see anything on the filter at all. So maybe I'll look at the filter later. But it's better than it was last time, so it's a good thing. I don't think I'm going to bother straining the oil this time because doesn't look as concerning. So hopefully by the third oil change, it's even cleaner. Time will tell. But yeah, I mean, the car drives great. I mean, it doesn't knock, no weird noises. Great oil pressure. I mean, really good oil pressure. I'm talking like once the car's hot and warm, 3,000 RPM, I'm sitting at like 60 psi. So I mean, that's a lot better than it was before. So yeah, thinking maybe I don't have a problem. Hopefully, knock on wood. So yeah, I guess I'll get the new filter on and change the oil and just keep driving it, and then I'll. So yeah, doesn't look like there's anything. Things definitely aren't worse, so that's a plus. No large chunks in the filter. Nothing came out of the pan. The oil is still kind of dark, and you can tell there's still something in there. You know, there's still some type of debris inside the oil, but it's not as bad as it was last time. It's not shimmery. It doesn't light up when you shine a light on it. Yeah, so I'm not going to bother straining it. I'm just going to dump it. And yeah, I'll go ahead and put new oil in and put new filter on and just keep driving it. And check it again in another few hundred miles.